how to get money on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can get money on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to get money on Cash App, depends upon what you're talking about. Are you talking about you want to request money to your friends? You can also request a money, or what you can do is if your friend is trying to send you money and they don't know how to send it, well, you can just simply give them your QR code over here. Once you give them your own QR code over there, they will be able to pay you by simply scanning this QR code over here. Otherwise, if you're talking about withdrawing your money, whenever you come to the home tab, you'll find the cash out button. So you can just tap the cash out button over there, enter your details, and then you'll successfully get your money on Cash App. This way you can get money on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.